Hi, in this video today, I would like to show you how to create a new local account in Windows 11. Okay, let's get started. If you have the Zip PC icon on your desktop, you can right click on it and select the menu in the context menu. In case if you don't have this icon on this desktop, so you can open the File Explorer. And then on the left hand side, we have the Zip PC in the content tree here. Just right click on it and select the show more options. It will open another context menu. You select the manage and then it will open the computer management window. On the left hand side, we have a menu. You select the local user and group. In the local users and group, we have two folders, users and groups. Yeah. So let's go ahead to select the user folder. And here, this is the list of current user on my Windows PC. If you want to create a new account, so right click on it, select the new user. It will open up a new pop-up where you have to provide the username and the information for a new account. We have username is Chiến Vũ, full name Chiến Vũ Hoàng, and you can enter the description admin 2 and for the password here we have some other option. User must change password at next log on or even account is disabled. So here if you want the new user have to change the default password in the first login, so you will select this option, otherwise you can uncheck it. Okay, I click on create button and then click on close button. So the new account has been added. Chiến Vũ. Yeah. You can double click on this account and you can see some of the properties of this account. In the general tab, we have some of the full name and the description. Yeah, you can also update some of the other option for the account. The second option is member of. By default, when the new account is created, so it will add into the users group. In case if you want to add this account into the admin group, so click on add button and then you click on advanced button. It will open a select group pop-up. You click on the find now button. You scroll it down. Take a look into the search result. You see here we have some the group on this PC. If I want to add this account into the administrators group, I will select this value, click on the OK button. Yeah, OK. And you see here, the new group membership has been added into this account. OK. Double click on it and recheck it. OK. We have second way to add a user into a group. So you can select a group and then you take a look into the group in the list of the group here. If I want to add this account into other group in power users, I will select this one and then I will click on add button. On this pop-up, I have to select a user. So here I will select Chiến Vũ. Click on check the name button here. So click on OK button. OK. So back to the user and open the Chiến Vũ account. Go to membership tab here. So you see here, we have a new membership has been added into this account. Okay. So I will cancel this one. And for now, I will log into the Chiến Vũ account for testing. Yeah. You click on start button and click on this one. You select the Chiến Vũ Hoang. This is the name of the new account. And then you see here, for now we have 2 accounts here. You enter the password for the new account has been created. Enter. And then the Windows 11 will create a new profile for the new account. It will take some time for the system create a new profile for the new account. Here, on this step, you have to select some the privacy setting. I will keep everything by default and just click on Accept button. Here, a new profile has been created for this account. And you see here on the desktop, I have only 2 icons by default. Open the File Explorer and go to this PC, go to C drive and the user. You see here, we have a new folder, Chiến Vũ, has been created for the new account. Okay, cool. So I think that's all for today. After you finish this video, you know how to create a new account on your local PC for Windows 11. Okay, I hope this video will helpful for you. Thank you. Bye bye.